Can you hear me now? Sorry about that. Should be able to hear me now. How you doing, man? Thanks for joining the chat. Today, we're making the design. Flash for me here. Still up late, huh? All right. So, we had an idea yesterday. Keyboard. Markiplier. He still makes videos? I didn't know. One night. I wouldn't say a waste. You at least enjoyed yourself, right? Welcome. At 5:45, of course. Marhaba. How's the weather in Bangladesh right now? Is it winter in Bangladesh right now? Marhaba. Alright, we will be. Yeah, I used to watch him as a kid. This. Marhaba, marhaba. Why is he not doing it in there? Okay. For now it's fine. Yeah, he used to make pretty good content. I don't know. I thought he kind of stepped down for a bit, but a lot of these OG YouTubers are kind of stepping down. It's like a trend. Why is that? Alright, maybe. It is currently, let's see the weather outside right now. Let's see. -13 Celsius. I think it has a feeling of -20 right now, I think. Yeah. The weather one. It's finally stopped thunderstorming. It's been like literally snowstorming for like ever right now. Feels like -22. It's pretty cool. I guess it doesn't apply. Yeah, Tom Scott. I saw that. Yeah. Also Theory Games. I think also just kind of quit recently. Game Theory, not Theory Games. Yeah, it's pretty normal. It's, but it still sucks, you know. I've lived here for like a long time, and I'm not used to it. Why is there no Arabic fonts? It has to be. Actually, never really watched Game Theory either. Like, I watched a couple of his videos, but not much. Arabic. I do. I'm fluent in 3 languages. Fluent in Arabic, English, and French. I wouldn't say fluent in French, but papit. Yeah, I think mine too is pretty much just like a lot of programming videos with happening in tech, a lot of AI stuff. I pretty much, honestly, like if I boil down the content I watch, a lot of gym videos, some Joe Rogan, and a lot of programming YouTubers here and there, but right? I remember like looking at games and just wishing to have like a powerful ass laptop to run them, but I still just watch people play. Is this a good font? Come on. Has to be one of them. Oh, there you go. I like that. I like this font. Let me just make it bigger. Make it like 200 maybe. Oh. I do gym, yeah. I play a little bit of jiu-jitsu. Logo. I think my name would be fine. Google Translate. Do you go to the gym? Oh yeah, congratulations. What do you have right now? Arabic. can't I like type or something? Yeah, there it is. Yeah, hey, Linux is not that bad. If you can get really good at using it, it actually can help you in the future. Grinding everywhere, the gym, jujitsu. Yeah, I guess. I want to duplicate this one. Ah, that's a beautiful logo. Boop. I think I'm just gonna keep the first kind of initial. All right, now let's make sure it's beautiful. There you go. Yeah, right. Um, are you excited for university? Like, are you looking forward to it? Hey, Chromebooks aren't bad at all. They're really, really good. If I mean, you know, you can't run like crazy stuff on them, but they do the job, right? So it's is this font consistent with? No, it's definitely not. Hey, 60 kilos is not that overweight. What's your height? 66 kilos is pretty good. You're not overweight at all. Hey man, it all takes time. Don't rush it. As long as you have your focus, you'll be fine, man. Case study. It's not a good font. Starting to question this. No, been hit twice. God damn it. Hey man, you're not overweight at all. 6 foot? Are you crazy? You are perfect, actually. 60. Man, come on, chill. You are so not overweight. I'm 6'6". I'm about 67. I'm like 5'8", 5'9", something like that. Come on. Do you really need more than 60 gigabytes though? What are you realistically gonna do? Transparency? Edit photo. You know what? 1 second. I'm gonna have to re-log in 1 sec. So I'm just gonna put on the main cam for a second. And go to Canva here. Continue. Oh my god. I hate when they ask you to log into your Google account. God damn it. Remember? Six one. You're really tall, man. Have you always been tall, or did you just like get a growth? All right, we are safe. So let's transition back. I do live alone, yeah, because I just graduated from university. So my university where I went to school is a bit far from where I actually live. So I lived alone for a while now. Um, but let's be consistent with this. Yeah, well, I should visit. I do like I was home like last week, but I should definitely visit more often. Right now, I'm just kind of focused on like finding a job and all. Um, but I need to visit. Last time I visited, it was a while ago actually. It's actually, huh? No, no, I can. That's nice. Okay. Yeah. Are you the tallest one in your family? Select this. Yeah, I live in a dormitory actually. Like, so kind of a university dormitory. Uh, so there's like 4 bedrooms in my apple juice. There are 4 bedrooms in my unit. We share a washroom and a kitchen. It's not bad. It's not the best, but you make do with what you have, and eventually good things happen. Inshallah, you know. Yeah, yeah, dorm. A little bit of a dorm. It's not. It's not the best, but yeah. Filters. Let's make this dark. Shadows. A little bit of blur. Intensity maybe. Hmm. Right. How's the job market in Bangladesh? Because it's pretty bad here, to be honest. Um, a lot of jobs that used to be very easy to get are no longer like accessible. Accessible, you know. I live. Yeah, Alhamdulillah. You know, I live. Okay. Custom cherry. No, I just want it. I just want it dim. Why? None. Let's do that. Do none for now. Shadow. Right? No, yeah, it's pretty bad in the U.S. in terms of housing. Even Canada, Canada has a pretty bad housing market. But like I lucked out, and because here in Canada there are laws that prevent landlords to increasing your rent from your initial lease. So I lucked out because I came to university like 2019. So my rent has been the same, but people right now are paying honestly like on average probably like $900, $800 for one room in like a 5 bedroom apartment. It's a very bad situation for a lot of students. The housing market in Canada is not good whatsoever. I want this to be. I guess we can settle for blur. There you go. And I'll add shadows on this, maybe effects. Yeah, there you go. And the shadow will be just dark. Offset. There you go. Yeah, it's really bad everywhere, to be honest. Background. What? Yeah, remote means that you perform a job online, generally from your house. I think a lot of tech jobs are becoming a lot more prominently online because it's a lot cheaper for companies to keep you online rather than let you come in person and have to pay for housing. I mean, have to pay for office space, and a lot of programmers perform better online because a lot of programmers don't like speaking with people. I just do this. Just I will increase the space for this. All right, and then I might just do. Honestly. Okay. Yeah, I have a lot of Bangladeshi friends. A lot of my friends from university were from Bangladesh, so I know a couple. Is it hard to come into Canada? I mean, I remember I was an immigrant as well. Uh, it was very difficult for my dad to come here. I don't know how the situation has changed or has gotten harder. I don't know about this. Maybe. I have seen perplexed videos. Yeah. Hey everyone, welcome to the chat or welcome to the live stream. Currently we are designing our portfolio, so come join us, have some fun. All right, so this is the body of text. Let's now let's not redesign the wheel, you know. Yeah, I think the problem with coming into Canada is like a lot of people don't tell you um it Canada is very expensive. So if you don't really have a plan or a lot of savings, you end up coming into a place where it's hard to live, it's hard to find a job, and it's just hard to provide for you and yourself and family overall to sustain yourself here. So a lot of people fall into the trap of coming here just like they want to do is come to Canada and then figure it out then. But it's different from people to people. Like I remember when because I moved here from Syria. I remember, and of course, it's different for everyone. My dad, when he came here, all he wanted to do was come here, right? At the time, it was like war and everything. So, you could 100% come here and live a really comfortable life if you, if you can get a job here. It's honestly a great country. I love Canada, but oh my god, I don't know. It's different. Maybe because I grew up here, it's different, right? Well, let's see. I don't know how to design this, man. I am not a designer. Hey, Flaz, I'm making a portfolio. So I'm currently designing my portfolio. So duplicate. Hi, Ali. Welcome to the live stream. Yeah, mashallah. You know, honestly, I don't know how I would have made it if we stayed in Syria then, but alhamdulillah, we're here, you know? Yeah, right? Coming here is hard. Like, adjusting to life here is really difficult. But, I feel like people outside of the West view Canada as like a haven, um, like this paradise that that will, you know, solve all their problems. And then the reality is, I mean, it is a great country and all, but it of course has issues. Uh, it comes with their own issues, right? Let's see, how are we looking at? Maybe I'll change the background. Um, Welcome, my name. Yeah, sorry, I was so focused on talking to you. I didn't write name. Thanks for catching that, man. Ah, God damn it. So focused on complaining about Canada. I almost forgot what I was supposed to do here. Abdullah is my name. that I totally. Oh, let's delete that. Duplicate. 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 And then I want to make this effects none. Maybe a little shadow. A lift. We'll give it a little bit of a lift. You know what? Can I see what it... Oh, oh my god. What does it look like if I delete the background? Oh, well, I have to make everything here black, but yeah. Oops. Let's bolt that. How about... What do you think? How is this looking, huh? What do you think, Bounty? Is this good? Or should I add a background? Let's make sure everything is centered. Yeah, there you go. Except Abdullah is not centered there. Yeah. Abdullah means the slave of Allah or the slave of God. That's what the meaning is in Arabic. What's the idea? Spit, Bounty, spit. Tell me. Oh, like flashing, huh? Let's see what animations they have. Let's do this. Oh my god, I have to have Prime for this. Huh? What do you think? Where when the web loads up, those duplicates. CodePen. Okay. Oh. Show me. Because so far, this is what I have. You know? It's not bad. Maybe have these to be smaller a little bit. Alright, I'll be waiting. Let's see. Oh, I don't want to show my resume. Let me just, I don't want to dox myself for a second. So let me just transition here for a sec. I'm still here, guys, I promise. I just need to pull out my intro. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I do. Thank you, Steven. I really appreciate it. God damn it. Or I should just do this. Sorry guys, I don't want to dox myself for a second. That'd be bad. Hello, welcome. My name is Abdullah. I think that's pretty good. A little bit of contrast, maybe. Let me make sure I have this right. I promise you guys, I am. I'm just looking for something here. See. My God. Okay, got it. Caught it. We can come back here. Hello. We're gonna do. Oh, is it? What did I say? That's probably a better idea. Hi, Will. How you doing? Hmm. A variety of things. Well, what specifically are you talking about? Like my programming skills? No. Hmm. Maybe a lighter color. Well, I'm currently programming, so I don't know if we need to fix this. What do you guys think, huh? Any skills? Well, I'm currently learning web development. I'm traditionally trained in mathematics, pretty much. Optimizing algorithms and stuff like that. So mostly stats. But as a side thing, I like web development. So I'm currently building a portfolio to put on my resume. What language do I know? Well, I'm very proficient in Python. So, Python is probably my main language. I'm pretty good at JavaScript, and I guess you could say like web languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I'm learning currently React, so I'm learning that framework. But yeah, throughout my university, I did use R quite a bit. Thanks, Will. I really appreciate that. Double about. I'm not the best designer though. So let's be clear. I'm having a rough time. Yeah, absolutely. I can show you some stuff. You think so? I agree. Let's do that. Maybe like this dark. Would that be like a nice dark? Like let's see what. Yeah, I think too much light. Let's see. Oh, I have to do. Oh my god. Sure. How is that? I will show you in a second. I can pull out some projects I've worked on in the past. Maybe like my most impressive projects. Yeah, right? I know basic UI, principles, but I'm not that good. That looks much better. Hell yeah. You know what? Thanks, whoever. Vico, thanks for the advice. That's so much better. Okay. Past projects. Let's see. Again, we do not want to dox ourselves, so I'm just gonna hide myself for a second, and I'll pull out something. Let's hide. Let's see. Let's go to desktop. I hate Canva, man. Canva sucks, but I'm not good at Figma whatsoever. So I'm kind of like designing with what I'm familiar with. Maybe I'll move forward with Figma. Design the other projects. I'm thinking of designing like another I don't know 20 projects, 21 projects. So I'll probably use Figma for those, or maybe even hire a designer. Why why even bother? Let's see. Open with VS Code. All right. So this is one of the projects I worked on like very, I guess actually like a month ago or something. Uh, it essentially, what essentially it is, it's essentially what Google, the AI algorithm for Google and how they rank pages. I don't want to go too deep into math, but it's pretty much how their SEO algorithm works, or at least one of their first iterations of it. One of the special things about Google, it's they use really clever matrices to do their page ranking. Um, and that was a project I worked on. I think in a course actually. Yeah, that was a project I worked on in a course. I have other projects as well, but I guess this is the most recent one. What else do I have? Let's see here. I have quite a bit. I don't want to dox. let's not dox ourselves accidentally, you know. There's also a really cool project I worked on a bit ago that uses I don't know if you guys are familiar with Fourier transformations. It uses Fourier transformations to pretty much duplicate background noise canceling, you know. I can show you one of those. I don't know if you'll hear it or something. So essentially a stats, I think it was like one of my applied algebra projects, if I recall. And essentially it uses stats to remove all these frequencies that are unwanted. It was pretty cool. Really clever matrices. Yeah, I'll show you the result. So this is what the original file started. If you can hear that. And this is after all the math and the cleverness behind the algorithm. We isolated the audio for the train and the audio for the bird. It's not perfect because, you know, I didn't iterate over the stuff, you know, as often as I should have. But yeah, those are some of the projects I worked on. Hell yeah, Bounty, send it to me on Discord and I'll open it. Send it on Discord. Send it on Discord. All right. What else did I want to do? Beautiful. Beautiful. Let me open it on this computer. I don't wanna. We don't want to reveal some unwanted identities. Oh. Perfect. I'll put it up. All right. Beautiful. All right, let's see. Oh, that is perfect. How'd you do that? Oh, let's increase the little maybe 5,000 milliseconds. And let's see. Oh. I see. Let's see. 100. Perfect. I like that. Yeah, you know what? I'll do that. I'll definitely do that. I will copy that, and then when we're doing the CSS, hopefully tomorrow when we're starting to program it, I will apply that to the design. That's pretty cool, man. I see. The time of the delay. So this is the time of the delay, I see. So let's do 200. Yeah. Let's do 500. Oh, I see. It's pretty good. That's so good. You know what? Genius. Absolute genius we got. I'll definitely use that run pen. Beautiful. Look at that. That's so good. And that would apply here, huh? Thanks for that. Thank you so much, Bounty. I really appreciate that. How'd you learn to do animations? I like one thing about CSS is I never understand animations. Position type. Bottom. Got stuck. Ugh, goddamn Canva. I don't wanna. Hmm. That? Oh, I see. Okay. Let's make it bigger a little bit. Maybe write summarize. Beautiful. You have to draw each frame, right? Or at least program each frame. Something like this. Position. What the fuck? Oh, okay. I'll check it out. Alright, guys. I just have to use the washroom for a second. And I'll be right back. Back in action, guys. Alright. Let's see what Bounty sent us. Open the site. Oh, whoa. You made that? That's pretty cool. And 100% revenue. What the hell? That's pretty good. I like how you like the glare. Let's see what you're doing here. We have bumped out upside side. So you have these. Okay, you have your right. I used to love CSS. Body, so you have that. You have your button, your relative height, relative transformation, yeah, perspective, text color, variable selection. Okay. Well done, man. Quite impressive. Do you have a portfolio, Bounty? Stained glass. Oh, I see what you're doing here. That's nice. Background. Yeah, the blur. Okay, okay. Right bottom, density variation. Translate how. You should definitely build a portfolio. If you can do stuff like that, you could definitely you literally don't even need a degree, to be honest with you. You know, just start like small, maybe build like a, it doesn't have to be like a crazy portfolio either. It can be just anything like light, you know? I want to make this effect. I don't know what it's called. That's ChatGPT. Oh, don't dox me. Don't dox. Ooh, that was close. Yeah. You know what a lot of people do? Is actually just like honestly like exactly what I did. Just go to awards and just browse through like these are all like websites I really liked, and I'm just gonna just kind of draw an inspiration from it. I guess it doesn't have a name. Right, radio gradient. Let's look it up. A unique portfolio design. Yeah, let's do that. You are a web developer, UI. Let's do this. Let's do some prompt engineering live. You are a UIX developer with 10 years of experience. You have a unique back. You want to build a unique no, I want to find out if this FX actually has a name, like if this kind of design, because I've been seeing it quite a lot and I like it. I want to put like a little bit of an accent behind my background, so I want to know what it's called. Yeah, I think I know. I have an idea of how it's done. Yeah, backdrop filtering, right? Yeah, I assumed I didn't wanna. Hell yeah, yeah. That little glassy effect. It's kind of I don't know. Is it trendy? I don't know. I feel like it's kind of cool. That's not very unique, ChatGPT. Okay. Yes, it can. I'm trying to make it do that. Oh, there it is. Here's how about yes. It should be able to. Yeah, it adds a little bit of a depth to your it's supposed to be good. We'll see. Dale's supposed to be better than come on, why isn't it? Come on. Why is it doing that? God damn it. Got GPT. Still loading. Radio wording. We can go to Dale actually. Alright, let's not task myself 1 second. God damn. Right. So many people use it. You know, it's hard to like still loading. Continue. God damn it. Not what I want. API, yeah, sure. Take your time. Fine tuning assistant, maybe. Test. Photo. Give photo ideas. What the hell? Come on. This should be good. No, no. Alright. I like that. I swear to God. Yeah, look at that. Perfect. Exactly what I'm looking for. Then we can adjust the transparency of this. Oh, hey, what's up? Sorry, I wasn't seeing your message. Yeah, I am making my portfolio a little bit of a white theme. I'll make a dark version of it, like maybe later. But as of right now, it's white for now. The image did not load. I gave up on it. Yeah. Maybe too much here. Here, let's put this at the back or something. Sorry, man. I was so focused on trying to find the perfect spots for these. Maybe like go 100% on this. No, very late. A little bit of symmetry. Right, a little bit. I won't go completely white. I'll probably go smoke, white smoke, smoke white, white smoke. Because I think it's definitely better. Because white is too bright on the eyes, I find. So like complete FFFF is too bright. So I think having the menu here is fine. I don't know how to style my text. No, do not, man. You're keeping me company. Otherwise, I'll just be sitting here doing this alone. What the hell is this delete that? I appreciate you joining me, man. It makes this live stream more fun. Random. Let's see. I'll make it dark mode, and I'll call it the bounty mode, just for you. When we get to development. Added photo. No. Keep it. Position this guy in the back. Man, it'd be so much easier if I was using Figma. But you know what? It's fine. That's a good idea. I should do that. You know what? Thanks, Akurami. That's I forgot about that. I forgot that even existed. And we'll do that here. And then we keep these. Make those positions all to the back. Yeah. Bounty, isn't it like 7 a.m. in Bangladesh right now, or like 8? Why are you still awake? Go to sleep. Let's see how this is overall looking. Okay, well, I don't know how I feel about that. Maybe if I make them breathe a little bit, like hey, I'll show you what I got. When I'm animating these, I'm gonna make them breathe, if that makes sense. As in, like, float around. Kind of like that. Yeah, kind of like that, but a lot slower. Ah, god damn it. We'll see. Find out. Oh my god. Oh, pause the music. Oh my god, Bounty. Go to sleep, man. You're still awake. I appreciate you, man. Thanks. So sweet of you. I don't know what to put here. Like I saw a really a Duke portfolio. Hmm. Guess that's his motto. Sprinkle of what does that do? No. Oh, thanks, Rico. I appreciate it. I'm glad you're working with me. What are you writing about? I have a list of things right here. So this is I guess complete. We did build the system or the architecture, and we're currently finding crazy. That's super cool, man. How long have you been writing? I've always wanted to write a book, and honestly, the idea of writing a book is so daunting to me. Ah, bounties. You always call me out like that. Is this your first book ever, or is this like a hobby? Rico, do you read? I'm guessing you do. If you, what type of books do you read, Vigo? Come on, man. There's no one that's a gun who just is writing about a book. That's cool, man. Super chill. All right, let's see. What do we say here? You know what we should do? I'm gonna. Why do all this when you can ask ChatGPT Save settings. To tell you to what to fill based off of your resume. Okay, let's see. Come on. No, download with a free mark is fine. Alright, guys, sorry. I gotta just not DOS. You guys are fine. I don't think it's gonna matter. ChatGPT, I think I'm logged in already. Of course I use Copilot. What type of question is that, Bounty? Yeah, exactly. I listen to a lot of audiobooks. I'm a big audiobook guy, but I have quite a bit of books. One of them, very few books I read, or my favorite current book is called Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. It's like a philosophy book. Um, I don't read much fantasy. A lot of self-help kind of thing. Fair. Um, Another really good book I read last year was called Clear Thinking. Uh, it's by a previous CIA agent. It goes about how to make decisions, how do you know your decisions are right, and how to think about problems in general. It's quite a good read if you guys are looking for something. Everyone is different, of course. Please don't dox me. Please don't dox me. Fingers crossed. Are we doxed? No, we're not. Beautiful number photos, I think. Copilot is free. What are you talking about, Bounty? You can join Copilot. Oh wait, do you have to pay for Copilot? I think it's called. I think I use Copilot for free, like from my university. Sorry, I didn't mean to call you a rookie. Yeah, that's good stuff. Do you recommend any good books? I'm trying to get out of this philosophy like kind of phase. I've been in that phase for like 2 years. So I'm trying to like explore other genres. I think is Copilot not free? Yeah, I think it's free for university students. I didn't know that. Sorry, buddy, my bad. How much is it? Oh my god, $19 for a user. That's crazy. Alright, let's just do this. Where did it download? There you go. Color out of space. Let's add that to my Goodreads. We will be reading that this month. Yeah, Viscous. I heard Viscous. I think I have hidden. Yep. Oh my god. Never mind. Let me take a picture of it. GPT-4 is a lot smarter. It's pretty smart. It definitely helps a lot with workflow. And since I'm like focusing on applying job, it's immensely helpful rewriting my job duties to fit the job description. So it's quite helpful. 3.5 is pretty good, but I feel like they're slowly making it dumber and dumber over time to incentivize people to upgrade to GPT-4. So yeah, I think ChatGPT 4 is updated up to April 2023, so it's fairly recent. Fill in the text with content. Yeah. You know, Bounty, I don't know if you can access. Let me see. In VS Code, can you access No, you have to have a university account. I was gonna say there's a way to actually use GPT-4 using GitHub Copilot. Okay, let me section 3. A list of programming languages, technologies. I like that. Content. So I'm thinking, I'm open to ideas, of course. But here I'm thinking the languages I know. So just big text of languages I know. Here I'll be putting some of my big projects. I have quite a bit of projects, so it's a lot harder. So I'll just pick the most impressive ones and I'll put them here. Yeah, I think that's what I was thinking. So like he can click this and this would zoom kind of in into whatever that piece of content is, right? Um that's a I'm not sure though how I would go about this, but we'll see when we get there. I think I'm more focused on layout right now, but that's a good idea. I think having hmm, let's say like the word react or something like a 3D model of the word react or something like that, you know? I'm thinking something around those lines, like a 3D model of this word, and you click on it and you can keep going. Yeah. Is Taps better than VS? VS Code? Stay hydrated. Let's go get some water. Keep on writing. You got this. Today's a long live stream. How long have I been streaming for? Oh, wow, 2 hours. All right, let's see. What did ChatGPT tell me? ChatGPT. ChatGPT. What did it say? Educational section. Yeah, something like this. I'll show you. I'll show you an example. I saw this a while ago. Words. Yeah. Oh, that's a good idea. Yo, I'm screenshotting that. Bounty out here with this. Bounty, you should be a UI designer. What are you talking about? You don't know what you put on. Come on, man. I think if you just like, that's such a great idea. Paste it here. I will be adding that to my design. The board. Alright. Come on. A game in Python? Yeah, it's a good idea if you want to be like a game developer. Yeah. I have a lot of projects in Python right now. I think, but I'll think about it. Maybe I could showcase some math math optimization algorithms, stuff like that. I don't know my ideas commit. The taps idea, I like that. Um, bounty. Let me show you. 1 second. I think there's cloud IDEs like GitHub has a cloud IDE right now. I think you could use. If I recall correctly, yeah, like a very powerful cloud IDE. I think it was Google. Yeah, Google just published the like a version of VS Code. Yeah, GitHub. Yeah, right. There it is. CodeSpace. Yeah. There's a lot of algorithms. There's algorithms. I don't know for everything. It's hard to come up with one on top of my head. So this is contact section. Give me some. Let's upload like my resume actually and downloads. Let's not dox ourselves for a second here. Here is my resume for context. Give me content to fill. Right, I think so. I think it's part of Gemini. Oh no. It's like beta or something. I forgot. They're trying to make their own IDE because like Microsoft kind of dominates that field right now. You're right. Yeah, they are kind of the same. The core concepts of machine learning. Let's see. There's a lot. I think basic statistics is probably I'd say, well, first of all, Fourier transformations is one of them. Interpolation is another. Interpolation is a big one. What else? Fourier transformation, interpolation, applied linear algebra, applied math is pretty good. Like you have to know how to do applied math. You have to be familiar with floating point systems, a little bit of floating point system, but we're getting low level here. Basic stats is probably your best bet. Understanding statistics and how to deal with big amount of data is probably your best bet. There's a lot. I don't know. It depends. Such a general question. A lot of math concepts. I feel like in terms of AI, more people are leaning towards using already built algorithms to produce products rather than building algorithms. So I think it's going to be a lot more popular for people to be more familiar to be using interfaces rather than understanding how to build like specific algorithms. So Yeah, math is a lot of math. A lot of math. If you want to build like an actual algorithm from the ground up, a lot of math. A lot of very heavy duty math. Oh, thank ChatGPT didn't talk to me for a second. Hey there, my name is Abdullah. That is my role, design and innovation. Cool. Let's do that. Yeah. I know. It's a lot. The field is very math heavy, so I think I'd focus more on learning how to develop algorithms using AI rather than come on, textile. Let's do subheading. Let's go heading actually, rather than focusing on how to actually build AI algorithms. Uh, delete that. I don't like that. I don't know what I don't like it. Maybe let's see. Let's see. Let's do what Figma comes for. Oh, there's a design that's kind of like mine already. I didn't know that. 3B1B, huh? Uh, oh yeah, I've seen him. Yeah. Neural networking is the machine behind machine learning. So it's essentially like uh, it's the network behind the machine, if you know what I mean. Machine learning is the general concept. Neural networking is a subcontext of machine learning. I like that. You know what? Yeah. Are you trying to get into machine learning, Bapti? Like, is that something you're trying to get into? I like this. I might just use that actually. Why reinvent the wheel, huh? But I feel like I've seen this somewhere. No, it didn't fill it with content. Yeah. He it gave me what to write. Yeah, I is that cheating? I want that background to be open 24/7. What? How do I? God damn it. Some people are. Oh, okay, cool. There's a lot of funky stuff here. I like this. I think it's a you should be familiar with some core concepts in machine learning as a future developer. Definitely if you're entering the field in like 3 or 4 years. Mm. Oh, it's right on the side, right here. Oh, like the images that didn't fill out the images. No. Welcome back. Okay. There's a lot of stuff here. Mm. Very good. Um, yeah, one good low level language is good to know. Like C is definitely a good one to start with, or C plus plus. You know what you would benefit with here? So there's this 1 second, let me show you something. So there's this thing 1 second. Let me pull it up. Uh, our university just gave us this file. If it opens, no, this is not opening. 1 sec. Yeah, save it. Sure, let's do it desktop. Thanks, Rico, for joining the stream. I hope you have a good night as well. Okay, so Bounty. This is a little like guide our university gave us regarding the tech world in 2024. So I can share this with you. It shows some stats and whatever. The layoffs in 2023 was enormous in January, but the point I'm trying to get at here is there's a bunch of so remote jobs, whatever. The number one remote job is web development, software engineering, data scientist, copyright, architect. All right, where as you can see, there was a drastic increase in remote and employees accepting remote. 1 second. This is not what I'm trying to get at. I'm gonna show you something. Generative AI tools for experience. I'll share this with you. I'll send it to you on Discord, so you can have a look at it later. But tech salaries. These are tech salaries. The range of tech salaries in 2024, and you could see here, for example, an average. So is that like per CD plus tech? I see. So we could see for like a senior data scientist, the lower range was 146, the higher range was 182, the average was that. Most jobs were found in New York and Census LA. You know what I'm talking about. In management, these are the top positions in management. Top jobs of 2023 was a full stack developer, data engineer. These are the top jobs of 2023. LinkedIn jobs posted that mentioned artificial and generative AI. Wow, I didn't know that. That's crazy. All right, here it is. Software development. We can see that backend development is the number one job in tech, and it has a low range of $118,000. Obviously mid-level. The beginning level is more 70, 80. And then here is our desired, and this is the part I was trying to get at. Desired and admired programming scripts and markup languages, and you could see what the industry wants. These are the like if you're starting out to learn how to code, these are the best languages to learn. Yeah, definitely right. So JavaScript, Python, TypeScript, HTML, CSS, SQL, Rust, C. These are the most popular, most desired, I guess, languages to know. Most desired and tested tech stacks in Java and .NET. These are the ones. And then it goes even deeper. Shows you what front-end developers are using. So Angular developers are making React developers are making the most money here. You could see $118,000 to low end. This is for mid-level, so mid-range. So if you have 2 or 3 years of experience. Let's see what else here. Most popular frameworks. Node.js is more popular than React. I did not know that. So Node.js, I should get on Node.js. Skilled needed per junior developer. React, Angular, Vue, Android developer, PHP. This is insane. I don't know Node. I should. Oh wait, I do know JS. What I'm talking about? I do know Node.js. That's fine. But I should never definitely learn Angular, which is like Google's language. XJS. Yeah. Right. I'll send this to you. I'll send this to you. Look it over, see what languages are like popping right now, and then pop on. In cybersecurity, the most important thing to know is AWS. That is hilarious. I think Python would be a lot more important. Yeah, I know a little bit of Node.js. Yeah, not a lot, but I was confused. Here, I'll send this to you on Discord right now. Have a look at it. I think this is an amazing guide for like someone who's trying to enter the industry. These are some of the highest CTISP. Yeah. I'm just shocked that Python isn't more important than AWS, to be honest. All right. So let's see here. I want to fill in this text. What did ChatGPT tell me to fill? I like that. Damn. I got sidetracked. What am I doing here? Let's see. Yeah, I guess it would make sense. I think in cybersecurity, it's a lot more important. Like it depends on what team you're on. I think there's three types of cybersecurity analysts. There's people that look at policies and whatever. There's red team, which are the people that are trying to hack into like platforms and frameworks. And there's blue team, which is the ones that deal mostly with network protecting platform and frameworks. But the red team has to know a lot more Python than AWS. But I guess there's more blue team than red team, right? So more people trying to protect property than people trying to attack. So that's probably why AWS is an important thing to know in cybersecurity. There it is. That's a good one. Like that. Damn. I will go come back later with a bit more and make them consistent. Yeah, when I was like what 17, I used to like use something called Google Dorks to hack my friends' Facebook accounts. Allegedly, I should be careful with what I say. Allegedly, that's what I did. I'm about to get myself in a lawsuit. Lex Cooper. I want this to be animated down, so and you can scroll away from it, and this will hide it. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. Right. Shit, I should be careful with what I say now, huh? If a potential employer is watching this, this stream is for entertainment purposes only. Nothing said on the stream is genuine or meant to be used against me. This is a legal disclaimer. I promise I'm a great worker. I work hard. I like this. What's up with the GitHub homepage? Is that supposed to do something with it? Oh, darn it. How are we looking overall? Let's see. I think we're looking fine, huh? We can make these like testimonials or something. GitHub's homepage. I don't want to dox GitHub. Oh my god, that's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, this is what I'm thinking for these cards. You know, I'm thinking to do something like this to add like the case study here, and then like a small description, and then an image of the case study. You know what? Just to make sure I remember this, I will hover over and then take a little screenshot so I remember this later. Alright. We're adding. No, I'm not signed into Chrome because I don't like Chrome. I use Safari, but I haven't updated my machine, so that's why Safari is acting up right now. So I'm using Chrome instead. Oh yeah, they do use 3D effect, huh? But I feel like no, this is just a hover feature, no? Like where in what a JavaScript. Oh no, I see. Yeah, you're right. They like tilt a little bit. That's cool. I want that. I want that. Get out of Unsplash. We don't want that anymore. Education. What else? Testimonials. Testimonials. Let's go all the way down. Oh, whoa, that's kind of cool. What? Wow, they went all out. Oh, what the hell? All right, let's just copy this though, and then we can close this cell because we don't want that open. And then we can put this in. Website content here, and then we can build the system. We're in the progress of doing that, and then we're in progress of it. That's cool. All right, guys, I'm starting to lose some productivity here. I might call it for the night with the content. I'll finish this up this morning and then maybe tomorrow. Yeah, I've seen Bruno's website. It's pretty cool. Bruno's website. Bruno's website is using 3GS. I think his name's from Mars. I think Mars or something. Yeah, Bruno. Forgot what his name. 3GS something. Bruno Simon. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Bruno Simon. Yeah, I've seen it. It's pretty cool. He's insane, man. Crazy. Look at that. That's insane. It's honestly one of the coolest websites I've ever seen. Wee. He was a freelancer. Let's see what he is. Teacher, web development, lead development. He's pretty cool, man. This guy got skill, yeah. Yeah, hey, yo, take the course. Take the course. It's like you can find the course for free online, I think. 3JS course, you could probably, like, I've seen his students, they build, like, his stuff like that. Yeah, it's crazy, man. This man has, like, insane skill. Look at some of the stuff, like, his students make. That's crazy. Look at that. Whoa, look at this website. It's kind of like an anime style website. What is this? Crazy. Wishing you 2024. Happy New Year's. Whoa, look at that. Damn, man, some people just make you feel like crap when you see them. Look at that. That's cool as hell, man. Let's go to the live. Let's go to the demo. Yeah, you're right. You know, one step at a time, right? So cool. It's so insane that people can build stuff like this on a website. It's quite impressive. It's insane how technology has gone so far, right? All right, guys. I think that's it for me. I'm getting a little tired. We will talk and tomorrow, hopefully. One thing I saw on the chat yesterday that a lot of people don't know when I stream. I mean, technically we are noobs. You're right, man. One step at a time. One step at a time. And you know we will be there eventually. Thanks everyone for watching this live stream. It's been amazing as always. Thanks Bounty for keeping company. I'd feel so alone if you weren't here. Just so everybody knows that three people that are watching, I will be streaming every day. Hopefully, fingers crossed that nothing happens. Every day around 5 p.m. EST. So 5 p.m. EST, I'll be live streaming 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. It depends, right? Live streaming daily. We will be continuing with our portfolio project. Once our portfolio project is done, I would like to build more interactive stuff. So maybe I'm thinking something that has to do more with AI. So maybe we'll think of a kind of a startup idea or something to build. I'll find a design or even design something myself, and we can get started on that later. But for now, we'll focus on the portfolio. We'll finish the portfolio so we have something to show the recruiters. I've done a couple of interviews now, and a lot of recruiters seem to be very found of the idea of having a portfolio. So I need to get on that. I appreciate everybody watching. I'll see everybody hopefully tomorrow, same time, 5 p.m. EST. We'll talk later.